Today we're gonna be talking about pronouns and very common mistakes people make while using them. First off, what is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word we use instead of a noun. The pronouns are I, you, he, she, it, we, they. If you are an English language learner, chances are you make tons of mistakes with pronouns and you don't even know about it. I assume you already know the difference between I, me, and my. He, him, and his. The first thing you should know is that we do not use the pronouns he, his, and him when we talk about non-specific people like doctors, lawyers, teachers, and so on. We don't know if it's a man or a woman, so we use the pronouns they, their, and them. For example, I can't say, if you have a lawyer, you should call him.
Oh, God!
We talk about a non-specific lawyer, one of many lawyers. In this context, we don't know if it's a man or a woman. We should say, if you have a lawyer, you should call them. That's the right way. But if we already know a particular person we talk about, we can use the pronouns he and she. For example, why don't you tell your doctor that he's too greedy? Here, we know a specific person we talk about. Moving on. On one hand, these nouns are singular. They refer to one person. On the other hand, we don't know if this someone is a he or a she. So we use the pronoun they. By the way, in case you wonder, someone and somebody are synonyms. They are identical in their meaning. Somebody left the voicemail, but they didn't say who they were. No one invited you, did they? If we're telling about the sex or name of someone we don't see, we use the pronoun it. For example, congratulations, Daddy, it's a girl. Or,
Who is it?
It's Troy.
in both examples, we don't see the person we talk to or talk about. Okay? Let's move on. When announcing who you are on the phone, we use the pronouns this and it. For example, hello, this is Sam speaking. Hi, it's John here. How are you, man? When we want to be impersonal, we use the pronouns one or you. One being more formal, you being more informal. For example, when one wants to be a millionaire, one has to work up a brilliant business idea. Or, when somebody breaks into your house, you don't have a chance to call the police. Okay, now let's have a small test. Choose the best option. Somebody knocked on the door, but they ran away before I had a chance to answer. If you love your wife, you should buy her these diamond earrings. When one lives alone, one has to rely only on one's resources. If you have a family doctor, ask them for advice. There's someone at the door. Go see who it is. Okay, that's pretty much it for now. See you in the next lesson. Stay tuned.